Hello student, today's topic is the crisis of the 14th century. By the early 14th century, Europe's economic expansion slowed down. This was due to the three factors. In northern Europe, by the end of the 13th century, the warm summers of the previous 300 years had given way to bitterly cold summers. Seasons for growing crops were reduced by a month, and it became difficult to grow crops on higher ground. Storms and oceanic flooding destroyed many farm street, which resulted in less income in taxes for governments. The opportunities offered by favorable climate conditions before the 13th century had led a large scale reclamation of the land of forest and pasture for agriculture. But intensive ploughing had exhausted the soil despite the practice of the three field rotation of crops. Because clearance was not accompanied by proper soil conservation, the shortage of pasturage reduces the number of cattle. Population growth was outstripping resources, and the immediate result was famine. Severe famines hit Europe between 1315 and 1317, followed in the 1320s by massive cattle deaths. In addition, trade was hit by a severe shortage of the metal money because of the shortfall in the output of silver mines in Austria and Serbia. This forced government to reduce the silver content of the currency and to mix it with cheaper metals. As trade expanded in the 13th and 14th centuries, ships carrying goods from distant countries had started arriving in European ports. Along with the ships came raids carrying the deadly bubonic plague infection, the Black Death. Western Europe, relatively isolated in earlier countries, was hit by the epidemic between 1347 and 1350. As trade centers, cities were the hardest hit. In enclosed communities like monasteries and convents, when one individual contracted the plague, it was not long before everyone did, and in almost every case, none survived. The plague took its worst toll among infants, the young, and the elderly. There were other relatively minor episodes, plague in the 1360s and 1370s. The catastrophe, combined with the economic crisis, caused immense social dislocation. Depopulation resulted in a major shortage of labor. Serious imbalances were created between agriculture and manufacture because there were not enough people to engage in both equally.